Antesky 1.2 meters driveaway antenna is one of our main products. It can be used for transmitting data info like IP, SD, HD, 3D TV. The main components of this antenna include main reflector, feed and feed support, motorized pedestal, antenna control unit, built-in GPS and compass, as well as waveguide. Its carbon fiber material is more than 90%, azimuth travel range can exceed 360 degrees, max range 440 degrees. The 19-inch 1U-rack antenna control unit has built-in beacon module. It can realize beacon tracking and DVB signal tracking, high and low drive rate. Also, you can use one key to finish point to satellite within 3 minutes. High accuracy 3D compass is small in size and low power loss. It supplies high accuracy heading direction information and poor magnetic field. It can also be used in 360 degrees rotation system. Manual crank is for manual drive antenna in emergency condition. It is compact design, easy installation, and simple operation. If you want to learn some more information about this product, please contact us.